History and need for consumer protection. Introduction. Consumer protection refers to the safeguards provided to consumers against exploitation in the marketplace. With growth of trade, industry, and services, consumers became vulnerable to unfair practices. The history of consumer protection shows a gradual evolution from caveat emptor to caveat venditor. The need for consumer protection arises from imbalance of power between consumers and sellers. This topic is important for LLB examinations. History of consumer protection. Early period. In ancient times, markets were small and based on personal trust. Producers and consumers knew each other. There was little need for formal consumer protection laws. Moral values and community control regulated trade. Exploitation was limited due to direct dealings. Doctrine of caveat emptor. With expansion of trade, the principle of caveat emptor, meaning let the buyer beware, became dominant. Under this doctrine, the buyer was responsible for checking quality and suitability of goods. Sellers were not legally bound to disclose defects. This doctrine heavily favored traders. Consumers had little legal protection. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point. Mass production and large-scale marketing increased distance between producer and consumer. Goods became complex and defects were difficult to detect. Advertising influenced consumer choices. Exploitation increased due to monopolies and unfair practices. Growth of consumer movement. In the 20th century, awareness of consumer rights increased globally. Consumer movements highlighted issues like adulteration, defective goods, and misleading advertisements. Governments realized the need to protect consumers. Laws were enacted to regulate trade practices. Consumer protection emerged as a welfare concept. Consumer protection in India. In India, consumer protection developed after independence. Initially, remedies were available under contract and tort law, which was slow and expensive. To provide speedy and simple redressal, special legislation was introduced. Consumer protection became part of social justice and welfare policy.